In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Calendly with Zoom. This is a game changer for automating your meeting schedules and ensuring every appointment automatically books a Zoom meeting, saving you time and streamlining your workflow. Let's dive into the process. First, we need to start by visiting the Calendly website. Calendly is a fantastic tool for online appointment scheduling, and if you haven't used it before, I recommend giving it a try. Once you're on the Calendly homepage, look for the login button. It's pretty straightforward from here on out. Click on it to proceed. After clicking login, you'll have several options to authenticate yourself. For simplicity and convenience, we'll use the Continue with Google option. This will expedite the process, especially if you're already logged into your Google account in your browser. Click on it to move forward. Following the Continue with Google selection, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use with Calendly. Select the account you prefer, ensuring it's the one you use for professional scheduling to keep everything aligned and integrated. Once you've selected your account, you'll need to grant Calendly the necessary permissions to access your Google account. This includes calendar details so Calendly can check your availability and schedule meetings accordingly. Click on Continue to grant these permissions. It's a crucial step for ensuring that Calendly and Google Calendar work hand in hand, giving you a smoother scheduling experience. With the permissions granted, it's time to dive into Calendly and tailor it to work with Zoom. Navigate to your Calendly dashboard by going to your event types page. This is where you can manage all your meeting types and preferences. In your Calendly dashboard, you'll find an Integrations and Apps section. This is where Calendly keeps all its integration options, making it easier for you to connect Calendly with various services. Find and click on Integrations and Apps. Once you're in the integration section, look for Zoom. Calendly makes it pretty easy to find by categorizing its integrations or providing a search function, so you should not have any trouble locating Zoom. Click on Zoom to proceed with the integration. Calendly offers two options for connecting with Zoom. You can connect it for your organization or just for yourself. Since we're focusing on a personal setup today, we'll go with Connect Zoom for myself. It's an ideal choice if you're managing your meetings and don't need to integrate Zoom for a wider team at this stage. After choosing to connect Zoom for yourself, you will be directed to sign in to your Zoom account. This is necessary for linking your Zoom account with Calendly. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your Zoom account. Take a moment to type in your credentials carefully. Once you've entered your Zoom login details, hit the sign in button to finalize the connection between Calendly and Zoom. This will link your accounts, and from here on out, whenever someone books an appointment with you via Calendly, a Zoom meeting will automatically be created and associated with that appointment. By now, you've successfully connected Calendly with Zoom. This integration will save you countless hours of back and forth communication, not to mention the headache of manually creating Zoom meetings for each new appointment. Plus, it ensures a seamless experience for your invitees as they book time with you. In essence, connecting Calendly with Zoom not only automates your scheduling process, but also provides a professional and efficient way to manage your meetings. From now on, each appointment made through Calendly will automatically generate a Zoom link, which will be shared with your invitees, making it incredibly easy for everyone involved. I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up Calendly with Zoom, allowing you to take your productivity to the next level. Remember, automating routine tasks like these enables you to focus more on what truly matters in your work or business. Happy scheduling, and see you in the next video.